We all want it, a lean, toned physique. It boosts confidence, it improves health, it makes us feel good about ourselves and can even inspire others around us. Achieving this ideal body isn't just about aesthetics, it's about embracing a lifestyle that promotes overall well-being and longevity, and let's be honest, it just looks good. There's something undeniably appealing about a fit, strong body. It radiates energy and vitality, making you feel unstoppable. But how do we get there? How do we transform our bodies and our lives? While a healthy diet plays a crucial role, exercise is non-negotiable. You can't out-diet a lack of physical activity. The right combination of nutrition and exercise is the key to unlocking your body's potential. Eating the right foods fuels your workouts and helps your body recover and grow stronger. And when it comes to torching fat, cardio reigns supreme. Cardio exercises increase your heart rate, burn calories, and improve cardiovascular health. Whether it's running, cycling, swimming, or high-intensity interval training, HIIT, cardio is essential for fat loss. This isn't about starving yourself or spending hours on the treadmill. It's about finding a balance that works for you. Overdoing it can lead to burnout and frustration. Instead, focus on consistency and making small, sustainable changes to your routine. It's about working smarter, not harder. Efficient workouts that maximize your time and effort are the key. Using tools like fitness apps or working with a personal trainer can help you stay on track and make the most of your workouts. It's about finding a cardio routine that fits your life, one you can actually stick with. Whether you prefer working out at home, joining a group fitness class, or jogging in the park, the best workout is the one you enjoy and can do consistently. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to make cardio your fat-burning ally. We'll cover a range of exercises suitable for all fitness levels, ensuring you find the right fit for your goals and lifestyle. Get ready to discover the best cardio workouts for fat loss, exercises that are not only effective, but also easy to follow. From high-intensity routines to low-impact options, there's something for everyone. We'll break down each exercise so you know exactly how to perform them safely and effectively. Let's get started on your journey to a leaner, healthier you. Together, we'll explore the most effective strategies to help you achieve your fitness goals. So, lace up your sneakers, grab your water bottle, and let's dive into the world of cardio workouts that will transform your body and your life. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a fat-burning phenomenon. This method alternates between bursts of intense exercise and short recovery periods. Think all-out sprints followed by a quick breather. Why is HIIT so effective? It sends your metabolism into overdrive. Even after your workout, your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate. This afterburn effect makes HIIT a champion for fat loss. From burpees to mountain climbers and jump squats, the options are endless. Remember, proper form is crucial. Focus on quality over quantity, especially when starting out. Don't discount the power of consistency. Steady-state cardio like running, swimming, or brisk walking is your reliable friend in the fat loss journey. The key here is maintaining a consistent pace and heart rate for an extended period. Think of it as a slow and steady burn. This type of exercise improves your cardiovascular health, boosts your mood, and yes, melts away fat. The best part? It's incredibly adaptable. Choose an activity you genuinely enjoy, something you can sustain over time. Whether it's a scenic hike or a refreshing swim, make it enjoyable and you'll stick with it. While cardio takes center stage in the fat loss arena, strength training deserves a standing ovation. Building muscle isn't just about aesthetics, it's a metabolic powerhouse. More muscle mass means your body burns more calories at rest. Incorporate compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and rows into your routine. These movements engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing your calorie burn. Remember, building muscle is a gradual process. Focus on proper form and gradually increase the weight or resistance as you get stronger. Section 5, Low Impact, High Reward, Cardio for Everyone. Worried about injuries or new to exercise? Low impact cardio is your answer. These exercises are gentle on your joints while still delivering an effective workout. Incline walking on a treadmill is a fantastic option. It elevates your heart rate without putting excessive stress on your knees and ankles. Cycling, whether outdoors or indoors, is another excellent choice. Don't underestimate the power of swimming. This full-body workout is incredibly effective for calorie burning and muscle toning. The buoyancy of the water supports your joints, making it a safe and enjoyable option. Section 6. Your Fat-Burning Workout Plan. This section is designed to help you burn fat effectively and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, these routines will cater to your needs and help you achieve your goals. Ready to put your knowledge into action? Let's dive into the specifics of your fat-burning workout plan. It's time to lace up those shoes and get moving. Here are sample workout routines to get you started. Beginner HIIT workout. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a fantastic way to burn fat in a short amount of time. It involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest. Warm up. 5 minutes of light cardio, like jogging in place or jumping jacks. This helps to get your heart rate up and prepares your muscles for the workout ahead. Workout. 30 seconds of work, 30 seconds of rest. Repeat for 4 rounds. This interval structure keeps your heart rate elevated and maximizes calorie burn. Round 1. High knees, burpees, mountain climbers. These exercises target multiple muscle groups and keep the intensity high. Round 2. Jumping jacks, squat jumps, plank. This combination continues to challenge your body and build strength. Cool down. 5 minutes of stretching. Stretching helps to reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Steady-state cardio plan. For those who prefer a more consistent pace, steady-state cardio is an excellent option. Aim for 30 minutes of brisk walking or jogging 3 to 4 times a week. This helps to build endurance and burn calories steadily. Gradually increase your duration or intensity as you progress. This ensures that your body continues to be challenged and prevents plateaus. Combine strength and cardio workout. This type of workout combines the benefits of both strength training and cardiovascular exercise, providing a comprehensive approach to fat burning. Warm up. 5 minutes of light cardio. This prepares your body for the more intense exercises to come. Strength training. 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. Strength training helps to build muscle, which in turn increases your metabolism. Squats. Push-ups. These foundational exercises target major muscle groups and are essential for building strength. Lunges. Rows. These exercises further enhance your strength and stability. Cardio. 20 minutes of your preferred cardio activity. This keeps your heart rate up and continues the fat-burning process. Cool down. 5 minutes of stretching. Cooling down helps to bring your heart rate back to normal and aids in recovery. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the intensity or duration as needed. It's important to push yourself, but also to recognize your limits to avoid injury. Consistency is key, so keep at it and you'll see results over time. Section 7. Fueling your body for success. Your workouts are only as good as the fuel you provide your body. Nutrition plays a crucial role in fat loss. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Prioritize protein with every meal. It helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are packed with nutrients and fiber, keeping you satisfied and energized. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Section 8. Rest and recover. Don't underestimate its importance. Rest and recovery are often overlooked aspects of fitness, but they are just as crucial as the workouts themselves. Without proper rest, your body cannot perform at its best. Rest is not laziness, it's essential for muscle growth and repair. When you push your body to its limits, it needs time to heal and rebuild. This process is what makes you stronger and more resilient. When you work out, you create microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. These tiny injuries are a natural part of the muscle-building process. However, without adequate rest, these tears cannot heal properly, which can lead to overtraining and injury. Rest allows your body to repair these tears, making you stronger. This is why rest days are just as important as workout days. They give your muscles the time they need to recover and grow. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is when your body does most of its repair work. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that aid in muscle recovery and overall health. Give your body at least 1 full day of rest per week. This doesn't mean you have to be completely inactive. Light activities can help keep your body limber and promote blood flow, which aids in recovery. This doesn't mean lying on the couch all day. Gentle activities like light household chores, reading, or easy stretches can be beneficial. The key is to avoid strenuous activities that could strain your muscles further. Engage in light activities like walking, stretching, or yoga. Listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort or pain, it's a sign that you need more rest. Always prioritize your well-being over pushing through the pain. If you're feeling sore or fatigued, take a rest day. Ignoring these signs can lead to more serious issues down the line. Your body knows what it needs, so pay attention to it. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to injuries and burnout. It's important to find a balance between working hard and giving your body the time it needs to recover. Remember, rest is not a sign of weakness, it's a crucial part of your fitness journey. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to a leaner you. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, fitter you. Remember, fat loss is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, but consistency is key. Choose activities you enjoy, fuel your body with nutritious foods, and prioritize rest. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small. Now, it's time to lace up those shoes, grab your water bottle, and start moving. Your leaner, healthier self awaits.